transforming your expansive murky pond, lake, or large agricultural water reservoir into a thriving, crystal-clear aquatic ecosystem without enduring stagnant water zones or low oxygen levels usually means transitioning to an industrial-grade floating fountain aerator. The RELIY Pond Fountain Aerator, 15,000 GPH, 110V1 HP floating lake fountain with 100-foot power cord and traction ropes, redefines heavy-duty water management by combining massive pump displacement, robust oxygenation performance, and eye-catching visual displays into a reliable automated system. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its high-torque 1 HP motor architecture engineered to displace an astonishing 15,000 gallons per hour (GPH). Instead of struggling with underpowered surface agitators or unreliable fountainheads that clog easily and fail to oxygenate deep water columns, this system aggressively circulates massive volumes of water to prevent stagnation, suppress algae growth, and maintain healthy dissolved oxygen levels essential for fish and aquatic life. Performance and everyday versatility streamline lake and pond maintenance across large country properties, farm ponds, and expansive residential landscapes. Equipped with interchangeable nozzle heads, the unit transitions effortlessly between striking V-shaped and parabola-shaped spray patterns, adding an impressive visual centerpiece to your property. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a heavy-duty 100-foot submersible power cord, dual 100-foot anchor traction ropes for secure positioning in the center of deep water bodies, and a stable low-profile float design that operates smoothly in water depths as shallow as 18 inches. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a powerful commercial-grade 1 HP aerator drawing on a standard 110V circuit, you will want to verify that your power source or outdoor GFCI outlet can safely support the electrical load over the span of a 100-foot run. Additionally, because of its substantial pumping power and height output, ensure your pond has enough surface acreage so that the spray pattern stays securely contained within the water bounds on windy days. So who is this really for? This high-capacity floating fountain is an absolute home run for large pond owners, property managers, and anglers who need aggressive water circulation, reliable oxygenation, and a stunning aesthetic display rolled into one machine. If you are managing a tiny ornamental backyard garden pond or a small decorative patio water feature, a miniature sub 300 GPH utility pump will better match your compact scale. Is it worth the money? If you value massive 15,000 GPH water turnover, robust 1 HP oxygenation performance, versatile dual spray patterns, and an all-inclusive kit featuring a 100-foot cord and guidance ropes, it is a premier, ecosystem-saving investment for your large body of water.